Panic stations, understanding the phrase in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the interesting phrase, panic stations. This is a phrase you might encounter in various contexts, and understanding its meaning and usage can really enhance your English skills. Let's get started. Panic stations is an idiomatic expression used to describe a situation where there is a sudden onset of anxiety or panic. It often implies that people are suddenly very busy or in a rush due to an unexpected problem or emergency. The origin of this phrase is from naval or military language, where different stations refer to specific places or roles crew members must take during particular situations, like an emergency. Let's look at how panic stations is used in everyday English. For instance, when the deadline was moved up, it was panic stations at the office. The fire alarm set everyone to panic stations. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe both literal and metaphorical situations of sudden urgency or chaos. A common mistake learners make is using panic stations in a non-urgent context. Remember, this phrase is best used to describe situations with a sense of rush or emergency. It's not suitable for calm or ordinary situations. While panic stations is the most common form, variations like at panic stations or it's panic stations are also used. The meaning remains the same, but these variations can fit differently in sentences. And that wraps up our discussion on panic stations. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Remember, learning idioms is a great way to sound more natural in a language. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.